So in the yesterday's class, we have seen how to find out the unit digit number and number of zeros in it, right? So we will see sum of sequence. Sum of first and natural numbers, you call it as sigma n. N into n plus 1 by 2. Sum of squares of first and natural numbers, sigma n square, n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1, by 6. Sum of cubes of first and natural numbers, which is sigma n cube, which is sigma n whole square. N square into n plus 1 whole square. Multiply the first one with the 2. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus so on. Up to 2n. Sigma 2n means sum of first n even numbers. Sum of first n even numbers is n into n plus 1. Then subtract 1. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus so on up to 2n minus 1. Sigma 2n minus 1. You have subtracted totally n values, which is simply n square. So sum of first and natural number, sum of squares of first and natural numbers, sum of cubes of first and natural numbers, then sum of first and even numbers, then sum of first and odd numbers. Anyone tell me what is the answer? Any other answers? See here, when I said this, the nth term is not n, it is 2n minus 1, I said. It is 2n minus 1, right? Therefore, you can say 2n minus 1 is equals to 59. 2n is equals to 60. It is 30 square. So you need to count how many odd numbers are there. So it is not like last numbered square. So number of odd numbers you need to count. So number of odd numbers are 30. So you take it as 30 square, not 59 into 59, right? Because I gave you it as n square, not 2n minus 1 square, right? You have to be very careful in substituting the formulas. Hope you understand that. Then you have 2 square plus 4 square plus 6 square, so on up to not 2n square. I'm taking it as n square only. Okay, or else 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square. The last number is simply n square only, not n 2n plus 1 whole square. For both of them, the formula is n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 6. Now check the formula. What is 2 square plus 4 square plus 6 square? Normally the value is 56. Substitute in the formula because the n last term is n only here. So it is 6 square, n is equals to 6. Substitute it. 6 into 7 into 8 by 6. 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square. 35. So here n is 5. So in this case, you can substitute it directly. Hope you understood that. Sometimes what happens is you get 4 square plus 8 square plus 12 square, so on up to 40 square. If you common 4 square, everything will be as usual, like 1 square plus 2 square and so on up to 10 square. So we have a formula for 1 to 10. 1 square plus 2 square up to 10 square, you have a formula. And you know the answer is always divisible by 4 square, that is 16. Answer is divisible by what? 16. Sometimes I'll give you some. Thirty-three cube plus 36 cube plus 39 cube and so on up to 60 cube. First you common 3 cube. You'll get 11 cube to 20 cube. Then what you have to do is 3 cube means 27. You take 1 cube to 20 cube. Then subtract 1 cube to 10 cube. So it's divisible by 27, which means it is divisible by 3. It is also divisible by 9. You can check for the answers, like what are the numbers which are divisible by 9 and what is its unit digit also, you can check it. Right? Along with these formulas, we'll learn about AP also. Can anyone tell me what is AP, arithmetic progression? When do you say numbers are in arithmetic progression? Yeah, anyone? What is the rule for arithmetic progression? Yes, Nishant, you can tell me. Nitesh, Girija, Charmin, Arjun, anyone? Shruti, Sajida, Jeevan. When do you say that the numbers are in arithmetic progression? Common difference should be same, right? So when the difference between, if you took any two successive terms, it should always be the same throughout. So you call it as an arithmetic sequence. In arithmetic sequence, if the first term is A, if you add D, second term is like A plus D. This is second term. You add another D. That is the third term. Add another D. It is the fourth term. Therefore, if I want 10th term, it is A plus 9D. If I want 50th term, it is A plus 49D. If I want nth term, a plus n minus 1 into d. That is your nth term. So what is nth term? A plus n minus 1 into d. A is the first term. N is number of terms. D is the common difference. If you assume that the nth term is the last term, a plus n minus 1 into d equal to the last term. What is n minus 1 into n minus 1? Last term minus first term by difference. Now what is n? Last term minus first term by the difference plus 1. Some cases you need to find out like number of terms. Okay, then how do we find out the number of terms of a sequence? By using this formula. Let me give you. Sequence starts with, let's say, 7. 7, 10, 13. It goes on like this, like 124. Number of terms in the sequence. First term, last term, difference is 3. Therefore, n is equals to last minus first by difference plus 1. Right? So that is 117. It's 40. So how many terms are there in the sequence? There are 40 terms in the sequence. A is the first term, L is the last term. How do I find out the sum of sequence? Sum is Sn, sum of n terms. First term is A, second term is A plus D, and so on. Last term be L. Before last term, it is L minus D. Okay, what is L here? Now Sn, L plus L minus D. A plus D plus A. Now look at every term. 2 times of Sn. It is A plus L. A plus L. So on how many terms? N times. Therefore, 2 times of Sn equal to N into first term plus last term. So sum of terms when first and last terms and number of terms are given, you can say first term plus last term by 2 into number of observation. You can take first term plus last term by 2 into number of observations. If you substitute what is that F and L. F is A. L is A plus N minus 1 into D. N by 2. So the sum of sequence formula is N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay. You can also write it as what? First term plus last term by 2 into number of terms. Both of them are same. Is this understood so far, all of you? If you understand this, if everything is clear, then say yes. If you have any doubt or if you want me to repeat anything, you can just tell me in the chat. Yeah. I want all of you to respond so that Nishant, any doubt you have? Okay, right. So we'll do a few problem based on it. Just a second. Try to answer this. Sum of first 1 whole numbers. Whole number starts from 0. Let me remind you. Okay. Fine. See here. So he's asking you like 1 plus 0 also you take it. So 1 terms means to 110 only. Up to 110 means 110 into 111 by 2. So 5 into 1 ends with 5. If n is equals to 1 plus 11 plus triple 1 plus so on, up to how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? You want the sum of digits of n over. First of all, what is n? See, if I take 3 ones and 2 ones and 1, we know the sum is what? 1, 2, 3. So if I extend it for 9, then it's going to be what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And what is the sum of digits? The sum of n natural numbers, right? So it is 9 into 10 by 2. You always remember sum up to 9. 1 to 9 is 45, 1 to 10 is 55, right? Yeah, in the previous case, you need to count 0 as also a one term because it starts with the whole number. But anyway, you can ignore 0, but you need to count it as one term. Now answer this. I want every one of you to please try it. Hitesh answered. Arjun answered. I want all of you to answer it, please. Okay. Some Shruti. Yeah. I want rest of you to answer it quickly. Charmin, Nishant, Jeevan, Girija. Okay, now let's see. See, there are two APs in this. So better you add these two APs. It is 4 plus 9 plus 14. You can clearly see the difference as 5. And how many terms are there? Now not 40, only 20, because we made it two terms as one term. So 20 by 2, it is 10. 2a, that is 8. N minus 1, that is 19. Into d, difference is 5. 10 into 103. 1030 is the answer. Okay. So I'll give you the polling after a minute. I want you to solve it first. What is the unit digit of 1 to the power of 5 plus 2 power 5 plus 3 power 5 and so on up to 20 power 5? So what is the unit digit of it? I hope you got the question. 1 power 5 plus 2 power 5 plus 3 power 5 and so on up to 20 power 5. The options are 0, 5, 2, 4. Okay, I'm giving you the polling now. Okay. See here, we know that n power 5 and n ends with the same numbers. We have seen that yesterday. So 1 power 5 and 1 ends with the same numbers, 2 power 5 and 2 ends with the same numbers. So is the case with 20 power 5 and 20 ends with the same digits. Therefore, do 1 to 20 directly. What is 1 to 20? 20 into 21 by 2, which still ends with what? 0 only. What is important is what it ends with. It ends with 0. P is equals to 2 square plus 6 square plus 10 square and 14 square and so on. Q is equals to this one. Then the value of P minus Q. Here you can easily say there are 20 numbers. How many numbers are there in Q? There are 20. Right? You can use the formula in order to find out the number of terms. Last term minus first term divided by, so I would say 21 plus 1 anyway. Okay. So what is P minus Q if I do it? I would say 2 square minus 1 square, 6 square minus 5 square, so on up to 82 square minus 81 square plus, these are 21 terms. After 82 square you got 80, difference is 4, right? So 86 square plus 90 square plus 94 square. We know 90 square is 8100. 94 square and 86 square. To find out what is 94 square, it is 8836. I'll tell you later how do we find out the squares, but you can now formally find it out. What is 86 squares? 7396. So what is the sum? Look at here, it is like a plus b into a minus b. A minus b in all the cases is 1 only. Like you can say 1 plus, sorry, this is 2 plus 1 is 3, this is 11, so on up to 163. So we know how many observations are there, 21 observations divided by 2. First term plus last term is 166. 83 into 21 is, so you can say 1743. Last two digits are enough, so you can say your answer as 26075. You can just do approximation also, you can say, right? It is around 9,000. It is around 17,000. 9,000 plus 17,600. It is like 26,600. Sorry, 26,000. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . If any doubt in this, you ask me. Tell me this question as well. Just give you a minute of time. I want all of you to try it, please. Very simple. One minus 10 plus 3 minus 12 plus 5 minus 14 and so on up to 60 terms, then what is the value of A? Yeah. Any responses? Right. What you need to do is simply add it up. If you add first two terms, 9 minus 9 minus 9. How many times? 30 times. When two APs you're getting, just make them one AP by just adding them. That was a simple question. Right. We'll do some questions based on decimals and fractions as well. The miscellaneous questions as well. Let's read the question, all of you. Answer. Right. Okay, see, if the sum of 10 different positive integers is 100, then what is the greatest possible number among this? If you want to maximize the last digit, last number, you need to minimize all 9. So, first minimum number is 1, then after 2, then 3, then after 9. So, this is the minimum sum possible, that is 45, and this is 55. Therefore, the greatest number is 55. Understood? In order to maximize the last digit, okay, you need to minimize it. Suppose if they say the sum of 10, okay, 10 positive integers is 100, if they don't say different, then what is the greatest possible number among these 10 numbers? If they do not say the word different, your answer could have been what? They do not say the word different. Right. Then the answer would have been 91. Because you take what? You take all same digits like 1. Minimum possible number is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. First, for all 9, you will take it as 1. Therefore, the greatest will become 91. Understood? So, every word is important. So, the different means first smallest number you take it as 1, the second is 2, then 3, and it goes on like that. What is the sum of all natural numbers between 100 and 400 which are divisible by 13? We know first number is 104. Next is 117. It goes on. Last one, 3 is a 39. Therefore, 390 you can say. Right? So, how many? So, this is the 8th multiple of 13. This is 30th multiple of 13. So, if you take 1 to 30, the first 7 you are taking out. Therefore, you can say there are 23 multiples. So, how many numbers? N is equals to 23. Answer. First term, sorry, n by 2 into first term plus last term by 2. If I do first term plus last term, it is 494. Cancel it. How much? 247. 1. 12 means 14. This is 14. Therefore, I can say the last two digits are 81. Okay. Ask me if you have any doubt there. Look at this. I'll give you 1 minute. So I'll give you the poll after a minute. Okay. So what is the first one? 10 by 2 is fine. Second one, 100 by 2 is 50. Third one, 1000 by 2 is 500. It goes on like this. So 9 terms means you'll get 9 fives. That's an easy thing to solve actually. Look at this. 1 plus 1 by 2. That's 3 by 2. 5 by 4. 7 by 6. 9 by 8. This is 2 by 3. 1 minus 1 by 3 is 2 by 3. 1 minus 1 by 4 is 4 by 5. 1 minus 1 by 7 is 6 by 7. Which means, look at first this one. 5 by 4, 4 by 5. 6 by 7, 7 by 6 cancel. You got 9 by 8. That is 1 plus 1 by 8. Okay. We can say 1 plus 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 3. 1 plus 1 by 4, 1 minus 1 by 5. 1 plus 1 by 6, 1 minus 1 by 7. Cancel. in a similar manner. There are 8 terms. First, what do you get? 10 by 4, which is 2.5. Second, 25, 250. It goes on like that. 0.5 is common anyway. This is 7, this is 7, this is 7, it goes on. So the answer is C. Answer for this. Point 1. Point 0.01. Point 0.0001. These 3 terms done. Point 3. Point 0.0009. Point 0.00009. Okay. Point 3, point 3, 0.03 square, 0.000, okay, 0.003 square. So it will be 9. So you can see there are, okay, sorry, one more. This is correct. Yeah, this is also correct. After point, there should be 4 digits. After the point, there should be 6 digits. So 0. So there are 6 digits after the point in this and ends with 9. So answer is A. Even if you add everything, you're going to get the same. You know, it's going to be 1. Sorry, 0. Then it's going to be 1. It's going to be 1. This is going to be 4. Next. You know very well of this formula. A plus B whole square plus B square and A square minus B square. A plus B into A minus B. Now we'll try to do based on these two things. You can tell me your answer in the chat. Yeah. If I take this as x, then n will be, so x is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N will be x square plus x plus x plus 1. I would say this is x square plus 2x plus 1, which is x plus 1 whole square. Therefore, root of n x plus 1, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. What is the value of 1006 square minus 1007 into 1005 plus 1008 into 1004 and so on like this? If you take it as x, this one is x minus x plus 1, x minus 1. So I would say x square minus 1. This one is x square minus 2 square, which is 4. X square minus 3 square, which is 9. Therefore, x square minus x square plus 1, x square minus 4 minus x square plus 9. Cancel, 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 cancel. 10 minus 4, 6. I hope you understand how do we do it. We're assuming that 1006 as x square, then 1007 becomes what? This is x minus 1, x plus 1 into x minus 1, plus 2 into x minus 2, x plus 3 into x minus 2. X square. I hope you understand so far. So that's all for today's class. In tomorrow's class, we see square, square roots, cubes, cube roots, square, square roots, cubes, cube roots. Then after that, we'll go for indices and surds. Okay. And I want all of you to learn 1 square to 25 squares. At least write it and see. 1 cube to 12 cubes. Powers of 2's you should know up to 2 power 10, 3 power 1 to 3 power 6, 5 power 1 to 5 power 6. In order to do your indices and surds well. Along with this for calculations, you need to also learn 20 tables. But if you want to do good in indices and surds, do write these numbers and learn them. Okay. In indices and surds, mostly you need to do powers, cubes, squares, then factorization. Well, then that's all for today. Any doubt for anyone, you can ask me. Any doubt for anyone? Okay then. Thank you, everyone.